Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're in Whangamata, home of Beach Hop, and what we're building here is an awesome commercial workshop with a two-story apartment for Noddy and his partner Andrea, who started Beach Hop. So this place is going to be phenomenal. Now, what are we standing on? Beautiful concrete slab. I can see behind me, possibly you can too, some structural steel set into the ground. Why have we done this so far, Mark?
Well, what we've done, it's sort of like the guys who do Beach Hop, it's custom. And on a site like this, where we're working really close to the boundary, because they want to use as much of the site as they possibly can, we're going to have to be putting in firewalls. We're going tools so that they can get their cars in, get their hoists in, and get those cars up high. So we've gone strength by design. So all of those footings are set right into the concrete pad. We're going to bolt our C-sections, all New Zealand steel, bolted all to that, and it's just going to be super strong, durable, and get the maximum use of this piece of land for these people.
Yeah, it's phenomenal. We've been working with geometrics, so we've got the designs, and that's been done. NCE have engineered it. As Mark said, this is all New Zealand steel. We're looking for Roofing Industries is doing the cladding, but yeah, it's going to be phenomenal. We're going to have mezzanine out the back, big roller doors. Then this is going to be a great apartment, and then we're going to actually have some posts out the front, which is what these cages are for. So A1 bobcats and concrete, been doing the concreting. We're going to set those in and put some decks in place. So yeah, this is just a tease of what's coming on. So make sure you follow us on all the socials for the stories about what's going to be happening next and that. And we'll make sure to keep you updated. All right, have a great time. Follow us, like us. But any comments or anything that you want to know about this shed or anything, feel free to hit us up and we can see what we can let you know. All right, awesome. Cheers guys. G'day guys, welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Today we're in Whangamata and I'm just checking out on the site that we're doing here for Beach Hop. Alright, this is going to be an amazing workshop with an apartment complex. Come on through, got the hard hat on. Where we're at with this job at the moment is we've seen the demolition of the old apartment complex that was here on site to make way for this new one. We've checked out the slab, how the set all the posts into the ground, so the apartment will be here. Out of portals, we've got Kyron and the crew have already stood the framing for the back. I was here to make sure we got room. We're going to get the cladding delivered tomorrow from Roofing Industries. Depending on the wind, very windy at the moment, we'll be looking to roof this week and start getting the back clad, because then we've got steel house structures all being ordered and underway, and that's going to be coming for the front of it as well. As the plan is, we're going to have this all fully enclosed and lockable for Christmas. Let's go and check out the structure that we've got. Now this is all New Zealand steel, manufactured by Metalcraft up in Auckland. Cheers to Ben Knight and his crew. So Kyron and that's assembled it. So we've got all this back-to-back New Zealand steel framing in here. So this is going to form all of the workshop area. Now there's a few things that the keen viewers might notice. We've got the plumbing in place for the showers and the laundry, but they'll notice, why have we got timber bolted to the floor here? That's a little bit unusual for a Waikato Sheds shed, and the reason is this is a commercial building, so we're going to have firewalls. This is actually going to have 2 layers of jib fire line on the inside of these walls. So what we've done is we've planned for that already. Obviously it's part of it. Is we've allowed this, so that's where the fire lining is going to be going against it. Otherwise, we've got all these top hats, knee braces, brackets, everything's been designed, engineered here in New Zealand, and so it's going to be excellent. We're going to have a massive roller door to come through the front, another roller door here on the side, a couple of PA doors there and there. It's going to be looking fantastic, and we're also going to have a mezzanine in the back. So as always, super impressed with the quality of the work that Kyron and the team are producing. So it's great. Next stages is, as we're saying, the cladding's going to turn up. Roofing Industries, my man Brad's sorting us out with that. Once the wind dies down, we're going to be able to clad this beautiful thing. Then we've got steel house structure coming, courtesy of Steve, Michaela and Christian. That's going to roll down and then we're going to be able to get into it. So keep watching, ask any questions, and I can't wait to get this project locked up for Christmas. Welcome back to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. We're here and this build is really progressing along nicely. Kyron, Jackson, Debs, they've almost finished it, lining underneath the apartment here, going back into the workshop. Check it out, we've got these huge structural steel beams here to hold it up. This place is amazing. It's got 3 different types of steel framing in it. We've got the structural steel in it, whole lot of posts all throughout the building and that. Then we've got our normal portal frame technology in here as well. So cold rolled steel, New Zealand steel, looking awesome. Plus we've got a whole lot of steel house framing in here because this place has been epically designed to be not only an apartment but also a workshop. We've got a mezzanine in the back here. We've got an additional toilets, showers and that here. It's fully legitimate as a commercial building. All of this pink stuff on the wall, jib fire line. So because it's commercial, we're only 1 metre off 3 different boundaries here. It's got to have firewalls, so we've got all of this in here. The builder Rick, he's been doing a great job doing all the jib fire line. You can see what he's got to do in here as well is we're encasing all the columns, so it's all got to be encased in timber, then put it in. And you can see 19 mil thick. This wall's actually 2 layers thick of jib fire lining. So don't worry, if there's a fire in here, it'll stay in here. In the design of this, we've got these nice clear, even clear light sheets in there with a nice grey tint. Clients put in a couple of whirlybirds. It's mid-20s already outside here today. It's nice and cool on the inside. Follow us through into here. This is going to be a fire door, and then boom, this is going to be the downstairs. So this is going to be the kitchen, the dining area and that in here. As I said, more structural steel in here. City Glass doing an epic job with all the joinery on that on here. It's looking cool. When you're building with steel and building a shed house, what's cool is all of this stuff already designed for all of the, I can't think of a great word, you know, your electrics, your plumbing, everything can go through all there. Upstairs, we've got this nice little thing. Instead of having to watch me to climb the stairs, I click my fingers and I appear. Thanks to the Wayne and the editing. But yeah, this is going to open out onto an awesome deck. Got great views of the estuary rolling out into the harbour here. So a really lovely spot. And all of this, thermal breaks, thermal blocks. So thermal blocks on the roof to stop the heat transfer. Thermal break on the walls as well, so you don't want that steel cladding heating up and transferring through to the steel framing, so we encase it all and put it in thermal in there. But yeah, I'm really impressed how everybody's going so far. Like all these projects, it's had its ups and downs and its challenges, but we just keep working through them to make it happen. So I know the next time I'm going to be coming here, this place is probably going to be completely fitted out and done, so I'm really looking forward to that. So well done to everybody that's been on site so far, all the work that's gone on, particularly the owners, Andrea and Noddy. They've been doing a huge amount of work themselves and then working in with everyone. We're managing the external shell, they're doing the internal fit out, which is really cool. So yeah, awesome work so far team, and no doubt it'll roll into me being back here and having a look at the finished stuff.